alaikum guys, I hope you're all well. Today's recipe is for making brownies. Let's get started. First, we need to start off with putting butter on the baking tray. Make sure you cover the sides well. And then you put on the parchment paper like shown in the video. Make sure you put 2 layers. Over here we have 2 bars of chocolate. You want to break them up into individual pieces. And then you put in the cocoa powder. Next we put in hot melted butter. After that you mix it with a spoon, making sure all of the chocolate melts. If it doesn't, then you can put it into the microwave for 10 seconds. Then you add the sugar and vanilla extract. Now you crack 6 eggs into a bowl. And add this to the sugar mix. Now you need to mix this, making sure you do it for 10 minutes and no less, so that your mixture is fluffy and light. Now you add the chocolate mix we've made to this and mix. Now you put in the plain flour using a sieve. Add the cocoa powder in the same way. You now want to fold in the mixture. Don't whisk it, don't mix it, just fold it in like shown. Cover the parchment paper with butter once again. And evenly add the brownie mixture. Even out the mixture across the tray. Place this in the oven at 180 degrees or gas mark 4 for about 40 minutes. To know if the brownie mixture is well cooked, you want to check it with a knife. As you can see, after it was properly cooked, my knife came out with no residue on it. Now take it out carefully. Sprinkle it with a bit of sea salt. Slice evenly. Now the delicious brownie is ready. It tasted absolutely amazing. It was soft and fluffy. Thank you so much for watching this recipe. For more recipes like these, don't forget to like and comment. Also, share with your friends and family. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.